Flying into Wellington, I got my first glimpse of the Queen Charlotte track. My trek on the Queen Charlotte track started with a ferry or water taxi to Ship Cove, then around 73 kilometres over 4 days, plus some side treks. Good morning, about to start the Queen Charlotte track. A little bit of an overcast day today, southerlies coming through, making it a little bit cooler, but 15 odd Ks today, or 17 Ks today, looking forward to getting started. Let's go. I took a Cougar Lines ferry from Picton to Ship Cove, which takes a bit over an hour to move through the Queen Charlotte Sound, affording beautiful views of the ridge along the way. My trek itself was the hiking equivalent of glamping, whereby I hiked each day with just a day pack, and my bag relocated daily between lodges. As you will see, the lodges were beautiful, with all the creature comforts, food and drinks, but more on that later. We arrived at Ship Cove, a gorgeous little spot with clear water surrounding the jetty and dense forest and the track itself ahead. Aside from hikers, the track also attracts mountain bikers. Well, here I am. Start of the Queen Charlotte track, just been dropped off by the ferry. The track's off that way behind me, but going to take a really quick detour, have a look for a waterfall that's a kilometre or so in the other direction, give myself a little bit of a slower start and enjoy my day. 17 kilometres or so, they reckon about 5.5 hours or so. Add on another hour my little detour and thankfully the sun is shining, so good time. Ship Cove is also home to the Captain Cook Memorial, which tells the story of his 5 visits to the site in the 1770s. Very early part, really nice shaded, it's a small gradient, but just comfortable little forest walk, hopefully payoff there. Arrived at the waterfall. It's a beautiful spot. Definitely worth the little walk. I don't think it even took me 20 minutes to get here, but take a couple of snaps and take it all in. I'd say that's probably a worthwhile detour. Took maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. Relatively easy walking. Excuse me as I hang myself. Beautiful little spot. Quiet, had it to myself. Bit of time for some thinking about what's ahead. Now heading back to the head of the Charlotte Trail. See you there. Ship Cove to Furneaux Lodge. with that, Queen Charlotte begins. Just gone 10 a.m. Again, 5.5-ish hours allegedly. Gonna just take a nice slow pace, make sure I enjoy it all. Beautiful day for it, not too hot, but the sun is shining, other than first thing this morning in Picton. But looking forward to the adventure. Really comfortable conditions so far. Reached the peak, or the first little peak after the start of the track. Took about 45 minutes or so, maybe an hour. It's pretty busy up there, but it does afford you nice views in both directions. Then you start to descend back down into the valley, so slowly but surely we move our way back down. Coming into another little canopied section. It's really beautiful, just ferns hanging over, cicadas in the background. Everything that I probably expected of the Queen Charlotte track. Lovely day one, probably only about a third of the way through or so, but all is good. We've been making our way around. Started off over that side of the ridge somewhere, end up down there, and now continuing on our way to Furneaux Lodge. Little rock beach on the shore on the way. In amongst, I'm pretty sure this is the Endeavour Inlet. Someone putting along in their boat. What a life. And pretty much made it. Furneaux Lodge dead ahead. Cozy little room, lounge area, and a deck looking out onto the water. Bathroom, getting a workout in a moment, and onward through to the bedroom. Beautiful, outstanding. End of the day, dinner is done, first day is done.